Hi there and welcome to your practice. My name is Alan. Today we will be doing yoga for strength. So this is the 21st video that I'm doing for 10-minute yoga practice. And while this is free, I really do hope that you try my other flows. I would invite you because for this last video, I will be lengthening our classes to about 20 to 30 minutes. Hopefully, you look forward to those installments. When you're ready, let's go and sweep your feet under with your fingers spread out. Begin to place your knees right behind your wrists. From here, tuck your toes. And what we'll do here is really feel the connection with the ground with our palms. So go ahead, when you're ready, begin to lift your toes off the floor, leaning forward, staying here for a while. And slowly exhale, drop back to your heels with your hips. Let's do that 2 more rounds. Go ahead, lean forward and lift your toes off the floor. And then exhale, lean back, sit on your heels, rest. Last round here, inhale. Lift your toes, lean forward, and you can really feel the pressure or the tension around your forearms and your arms. Slowly exhale, untuck the toes, sit on your heels, and rest here for a while. You may sit on your heels and shake your wrists. We're gonna do and lean towards the left and the right this time. So go ahead, turn your fingers to the right, and when you're ready, lean forward on top of your shoulders or on top of your wrists rather, and then lean to your right side. So you can feel the pressure right under or the tops of your palms or the tops of your wrists. One more breath, slowly exhale, release. Let's do that one more time. Inhale. And slowly exhale, come back. Let's turn our fingers to our left side this time. Now, lean forward first, then lean to your left side. Come back to center. Slowly lean forward, then lean back. Lean to your left side, stay. And slowly exhale, release, sit down on your heels again, and rest your wrist. Shake your wrists and fingers. Now this time around, turning your palms up with your tops of your hands on the floor. You're going to stay on your tabletop, and when you're ready, on your next inhale, you're going to pull your hips towards your heels, sit here for a while, and you can really feel the connection of the muscles coming from the tips of your shoulders all the way down to your fingertips. Exhale, back to your tabletop. So what we're doing here is strengthening our wrists. Inhale, sit back. Then exhale, come back to your tabletop. Last one here. Inhale, sit back. And slowly exhale, come back to your tabletop. Turn over your wrists. And then sit down on your heels. We're going to shake our wrists. At this point, you can really feel your arms really fired up when it comes to your wrists mobility. Now, what we will do now is create a flow for this. When you're ready, come to your tabletops, stacking your wrists under your shoulders, your knees under your hips, tucking your toes under. On your next inhale, look forward. Slowly exhale. As you round your spine, begin to extend your right leg to the back. Pulling your or stepping your heel, right heel to the back of the room. Slowly exhale. Step your right foot forward and lift your arms up. One more breath. Slowly exhale, hands down, and step back to your right foot down with your right knee. From here, on your next inhale, extend again your right leg to the back. Now we're gonna progress here. From here, drop your right heel behind your left foot and begin to curl your left toes under. Stacking your left wrist under your shoulders on your next inhale. You're gonna turn and twist to your right side, extending all the way up. One more breath. Slowly exhale, land your right hand on the floor. Extend your right leg all the way up again. Now this time you're gonna move forward. Tap your right elbow or tap with your right knee. Extend your right leg all the way back. Now step your right foot forward. Lift your arms up. Stay. Slowly exhale, land your hands down. And step your right foot back to your tabletop. Pull your hips towards your heels. Sit down on your thunderbolt pose. Rest here for a while. We're gonna do the left side. So at this point, we are trying to grow your resilience when it comes to your shoulders and your arms. At this point, you can really feel maybe there's some tightness at the sides of your neck, maybe the tops of your shoulders. Try to shake your shoulders, your arms, and your body. When you're ready, let's move forward back to your tabletop. On your next inhale, extend your left foot all the way back with your left heel kicking at the back of the room. Slowly exhale, step your left foot forward. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, hands down. Step your left foot back and extend. Now tuck your right toes under. On your exhale, drop your left foot behind your right foot. On your next inhale, plant your right palm down on the floor as you twist and extend for an assisted side plank. Stay. Slowly exhale, left hand down. Extend your left leg all the way up again. On your next inhale, tap your left elbow with your left knee. Inhale, extend your left foot back. Then slowly, on your exhale, step your left foot forward. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, hands down. Step your left foot to the back to your tabletop. Wiggle your hips side to side. Now begin to walk your hands towards your knees, untuck the toes, and sit on your heels. Welcome back to your practice. So from here, we're just gonna release the tension right by your arms and your wrists. When you're ready, extend your right arm forward with your fingers pointing upwards. Then with your left hand, you're gonna pull back your digits, your fingers to the back. Now slowly exhale, release this time. You're gonna point your right fingers downwards. And this time, you're gonna pull the fingers towards you. Slowly exhale. Release. Shake your arms, shake your fingers, and your wrist. This time, extend your left hand forward with your fingers pointing upwards. With your right hand, pull your fingers back. Slowly exhale, release. Begin to turn your fingers downwards. Then this time, pull your left fingers towards you with your right hand. Slowly exhale, release. Shake your fingers, your arms, and your shoulders. Placing your hands down, we're gonna tune into our breaths again, inhaling to your nose. Exhaling to your mouth. Inhale to your nose. Exhale to your mouth. Last one here. Inhale. Exhale. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again on our next series. Bye for now.